Top health experts say the U.S. is facing an incoming tidal wave of COVID cases. The fast-spreading Omicron variant has now been detected in all but 5 states. Many cities are scrambling to stop the spread as we head into the Christmas holiday. Deborah Alfarone has the latest from the White House.
Los Angeles has canceled its New Year's Eve celebration in Grand Park because of COVID. Boston's mayor announced a brand new vaccine mandate for restaurants, gyms, and sports venues. And the mayor of Washington, D.C. has reinstated a mandatory indoor mask policy.
2, 1, Happy New Year!
However, the Times Square New Year's Eve countdown is still on for now. The 2022 digital board arrived Monday, even as New York City grapples with a record-breaking number of cases.
We did not expect Omicron to move quite this quickly.
Nationwide, average new daily COVID numbers have nearly doubled since the beginning of November, with an average of 156,000 cases a day. From Minnesota to Florida, California to New York, lines for testing are long and home test kits hard to find.
We are going to see a spike in cases, and that's because Omicron is incredibly transmissible. But there will be a stark difference between the experience of those who are vaccinated and boosted versus those who are unvaccinated.
President Biden will address the nation tomorrow, and he's expected to issue a stark warning to unvaccinated Americans. He's also expected to outline new steps to help communities struggling with new caseloads.
We continue to see, and our health experts assess, that you're 14 times more likely to die of COVID if you have not been vaccinated versus vaccinated.
Among those who've been caught up in this most recent surge, Senators Elizabeth Warren and Cory Booker, U.S. Representative Jason Crow from Colorado, and Maryland Governor Larry Hogan all say they are vaccinated and boosted and only experiencing mild symptoms. Today, Moderna released new data that shows a third shot increased antibody levels 37 times. Deborah Alfarone, CBS News, the White House.
Meanwhile, this is a map of the U.S. showing the percentage of those fully vaccinated across the nation. According to the CDC, less than 50.7% of Arkansans now fully protected with at least 2 doses. 53% of those in Oklahoma fully vaccinated. 204 million fully protected across the U.S., and about 60 million have received that third booster dose. In Arkansas, there have been 434 new cases added in the last day. Active cases dropped by 375 down to about 7,300. 26 COVID-related deaths reported. 513 COVID patients are hospitalized in Arkansas, 93 of them on a ventilator tonight.